Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain if iPhone 16 supports dual SIM. Here is the iPhone 16 and in the American version of the phone it doesn't support physical SIM cards, but it does support eSIMs, and the iPhone 16 can store up to 8 eSIMs, but only 2 of them can be active at the same time, so you can change in settings which eSIMs that are stored on your iPhone are active at the moment. In the European version of the iPhone 16, you can put one physical nano SIM inside and also store up to 8 eSIMs inside, and only 2 SIMs can be active, so either one physical SIM and one eSIM or 2 eSIMs. Now I'm gonna insert a physical SIM inside in the European version. Here is the SIM card tray slot. You can find a SIM card tray opener in the box or use a needle to open it. Put the opener in that hole, then take out the slot and put a SIM card in. Now put the tray inside of the slot. And now the nano SIM was installed. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.